What did we learn?
So we've learned a little bit about how Garth Ritchie and Marcus Schenck are going to structure the investment bank at Deutsche Bank and how they're going to split up the roles. They were put in as co-heads, but it's a little bit unusual in that they're co-heads, but Marcus Schenck is also co-president of the firm, so a little bit at a more elevated position. They have different backgrounds, and they are going to kind of stick to the areas of their expertise. There is a division of labor between them, with Ritchie leading a lot of the trading businesses and Schenck focusing more on the client and investment banking businesses. So you have that kind of co-head structure, and then they're setting up this team to kind of merge all of the underwriting groups as part of this push to be have more of a corporate focus, right, as opposed to the financial institutions.
So, Michael, what are investors saying? Does this make sense to them, or are they taking it as a sign that there are trouble ahead?
No, I think it's relatively minor. You typically see this when you have new co-heads come in. They want to put their stamp on the business, so it's seen as in line with the strategy that they laid out and that Cryan has laid out, to focus a little bit more on the German corporates and try to perhaps scale back the trading business as well.
This was a great article. I thought Matt Scully did a great job with this, Michael Moore, and it is absolutely fascinating. Buried in the article, Michael Moore, is a reality, which is you have to retain the rainmakers. Okay, John Cryan wants simplicity. He wants to go from the old failed complexity to the new simplicity, but he wants long-term compensation. It's never worked. How are they going to keep and retain the rainmakers at Deutsche Bank?
Right. I mean, that's been their challenge over the last couple of years, especially with the stock taking a hit. You know, they do have, they are helped a little bit by the overall market for talent has been a little subdued over the last bit, you know, with some of the buy-side firms struggling as well. But I think, you know, they need to get people on board with the strategy and show that there's a path to growth here. I think that's what the employees are looking for and what the investors are looking for. There's been